You also authored a book called Ahead of the Cloud, Best Practices for Navigating the Future of Enterprise IT. Tell us a little bit more about that book.
So like I said, I spent my first couple of years here at AWS talking to more than 1,000 customers about their cloud migration, their digital transformation, their overall modernization of using modern technology. And in every conversation, I learned something. Customer would ask a question, we'd have a conversation about it, and we'd exchange points of view. I'd tell my point of view, I'd share my point of view. Hopefully I helped some customers. I think I did. I think I helped some customers sort of think about how they're making the shift. And I sort of realized over time that, well, if this customer is having a question like this, or this executive is thinking in this particular way, and we shared some points of view and we agreed that maybe some other way is better, or that I made a bunch of mistakes, let's say leading the change that we led at Dow Jones, and it'd be a shame if other people had to make the same mistakes. Maybe if I wrote it down, others would be able to sort of learn from all that knowledge. So it started off as a series of blog posts that I wrote over a number of years. I kind of woke up one day and said, hey, I wonder if I have enough to really put into a comprehensive book. And I started talking to customers and friends and colleagues around me who were interested in contributing some of the things that they learned as well. So I spent the better part of 2017 and some of 2018 compiling that all into a book that we now call Ahead in the Cloud. And the intent remains something that leaders and executives, whether they be technical or business, by the way, I would say that it is it's technology oriented, but not a highly technical book, to think about, to help those types of leaders think about why and how a move to the cloud would benefit their organization, and what some of the things they should expect to run into, and how others anyway have thought about those things and how they overcame them. So that was the intent of it. I talked to a couple of other authors who I either work with or respect, who told me that writing a book was going to be way more work than I thought it was going to be. And I'm stubborn and I didn't listen, and they were all right. So it was a tremendous amount of work and not for the faint of heart, but I'm glad I did it. Few conversations I like more than talking to somebody who's taken the time to kind of read some of the things I've written, and we can have a very in-depth and detailed conversation about any number of the points that we're in. So I'm glad I did it.